Proteins are essential for building and repairing our bodies. In healthy kidneys, proteins remain in the blood because they are too large to pass through the filtration system. When a significant amount of protein is found in the urine, it's called proteinuria. In a previous video, we covered the main causes and symptoms of proteinuria. Here's a brief overview for those who haven't seen it yet. Adults typically excrete less than 150 milligrams of protein in their urine over 24 hours. Levels between 150 milligrams and 500 milligrams indicate mild proteinuria, while levels exceeding 500 milligrams denote severe proteinuria. The terms proteinuria and albuminuria are often used interchangeably, but they have different meanings. Proteinuria indicates excess protein of any kind in the urine, while albuminuria specifies a high level of albumin, the most common blood protein. People with proteinuria often don't show symptoms, but sometimes urine appears foamy and swelling may occur. Temporary protein level increases can happen after exercise or illness, but persistent levels could indicate kidney disease. Reducing proteinuria can help prevent kidney damage progression. To eliminate protein from urine, we need to address the underlying cause, often kidney disease, which can be triggered by high blood sugar, high blood pressure, or high cholesterol. Elevated blood pressure damages kidney filtration units, allowing proteins to enter the urine. High blood sugar and diabetes can damage small blood vessels in the kidneys, leading to protein loss. Cholesterol can accumulate in artery walls, reducing blood flow to the kidneys and causing proteinuria. Maintaining healthy blood sugar, blood pressure, and cholesterol levels is crucial to prevent kidney damage. We previously discussed the best foods to combat proteinuria. Today we'll focus on the best drinks for kidney health backed by scientific research. You'll also learn how to incorporate these drinks into your diet to maintain kidney health. Remember, our content is created by real professionals. You can visit healthtoday.com to see our advisory board and team members. Our information is verified for accuracy and quality by trained professionals, not generated by AI tools like ChatGPT. Let's dive into the best drinks to reduce proteinuria and support kidney health. Berry smoothies are beneficial for kidneys as they contain various berries and other kidney-friendly ingredients. Each type of berry offers unique advantages, especially in combating proteinuria. Strawberries are packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins. Strawberries combat oxidative stress and inflammation, protecting kidney cells. They also help lower cholesterol, potentially preventing artery blockages that hinder blood flow to the kidneys. A study from 2011 showed that the antioxidants in strawberries might prevent the formation of clots in blood vessels. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants and have been shown to reduce cholesterol. Blueberries have high fiber content, which helps eliminate cholesterol from the blood. A 2004 study revealed that farmed blueberries have 19 antioxidants per cup, while wild blueberries contain 42 antioxidants per cup. Honeysuckle berries help remove heavy metals and drug toxins, improving kidney filtration. Honeysuckle berries also enhance blood flow and reduce inflammation. Acai berries are available as frozen puree or powder. Acai berries are antioxidant-rich, protecting cells from damage. Acai berries are another popular berry that is beneficial for kidney health. Combine 2 cups of berries with pineapple and banana for a refreshing kidney-friendly smoothie. Opt for organic berries to avoid pesticides. Soak non-organic berries in lemon juice or filtered water with baking soda to remove residues. The Environmental Working Group recommends looking for items labeled with Integrated Pest Management (IPM) to ensure minimal pesticide use. Organic berries are preferable as they avoid harmful pesticides altogether. When making your berry smoothie, you can also add a variety of other ingredients to enhance its flavor and nutritional profile. For instance, adding a handful of spinach or kale can provide extra vitamins and minerals without significantly altering the taste. Additionally, using almond milk or coconut water as the base can give your smoothie a creamy texture and added health benefits. Blending in a spoonful of chia seeds or flax seeds can also boost the fiber content, aiding digestion and overall health. Beyond the basic ingredients, you can get creative with your berry smoothies by incorporating other superfoods. For example, adding a tablespoon of goji berries or a scoop of maca powder can further enhance the antioxidant properties of your smoothie. These additions not only improve the nutritional value but also contribute to the overall health benefits of the smoothie, but also offer unique flavors that can make your smoothies more enjoyable. Turmeric, a spice from southern India and Indonesia related to ginger, has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, helps reduce proteinuria by inhibiting cytokines that cause inflammation, protecting kidney cells. Curcumin also mitigates high blood sugar damage to kidneys. A 2012 study in Nutrition and Health indicated turmeric and ginger protect against oxidative stress-related kidney damage. Rats in the study were given gentamicin, a drug known to damage kidneys, along with turmeric and ginger, resulting in significantly less kidney damage and oxidative stress. Another review in the Iranian Journal of Kidney Diseases in 2022 found that curcumin supplements significantly reduced proteinuria in chronic kidney disease (CKD) patients. To make turmeric milk, mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of turmeric with honey or maple syrup, black pepper, and warm milk. Heat gently for 10 minutes. Black pepper enhances curcumin absorption. Incorporating turmeric into meals with oil can also improve absorption. Adding turmeric to soups or smoothies is another way to enjoy its benefits. Turmeric and regular curcumin supplements are generally considered safe, but high doses should be avoided during pregnancy and nursing. Always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen. For those who enjoy experimenting with flavors, you can also add a pinch of cinnamon or a few drops of vanilla extract to your turmeric milk for added taste and health benefits. Drinking this golden milk before bedtime can also promote relaxation and better sleep. For a more decadent version of turmeric milk, consider blending in a small amount of coconut oil or ghee. These fats can enhance the absorption of curcumin and add a rich, creamy texture to your drink. You can also experiment with sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit if you are watching your sugar intake. Pomegranates have thrice the antioxidants of green tea, making them excellent for combating inflammation that worsens proteinuria. Rich in nutrients beneficial for kidneys like vitamin K, pomegranates can address vitamin K deficiencies common in CKD patients, thus protecting bones and hearts. A 2024 study in the Journal of Nutrition and Food Security showed that pomegranate juice reduced kidney damage from lithium in rats by lowering blood creatinine and uric acid levels. Pomegranate's antioxidants, such as vitamin C and E, punicalagin, ellagic acid, and gallic acid, safeguard kidneys by reducing oxidative stress and heavy metal toxicity. Their natural potassium content helps regulate blood pressure, protecting kidney function. Fresh pomegranate juice is preferable to bottled juice to avoid added sugars and preservatives. Fresh juice retains the fruit's sweet and tart flavor and health benefits. Researchers have found that drinking pomegranate juice can lower blood pressure, with studies showing reductions in both systolic and diastolic pressure. If you choose to drink more pomegranate juice, aim for freshly squeezed juice to avoid unnecessary additives. Pomegranates have a natural sweetness that negates the need for additional sugar. Always check labels for added ingredients and consult your doctor, especially if you have CKD, due to the high potassium content in pomegranates. For a refreshing twist, try adding pomegranate seeds to your salads or yogurt, or even sprinkling them on top of your oatmeal. Pomegranate molasses can also be used as a tangy addition to marinades and dressings, offering the same benefits in a different form. Pomegranate juice can also be combined with other juices for a delicious blend. Mixing it with orange juice or pineapple juice can create a tropical flavor profile that is both refreshing and nutritious. Additionally, you can freeze pomegranate juice into ice cubes and add them to your water or other beverages for a burst of flavor. Lemons offer numerous vitamins and minerals beneficial for kidneys. They contain potassium, which helps manage blood pressure by regulating body salt levels, protecting kidney filtration units. Lemon juice supports digestive health and stabilizes blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of diabetes-related kidney damage. Phytonutrients in lemons protect kidney cells from oxidative stress, and antioxidants like vitamin C aid in cell repair and improve HDL levels. Lemon juice increases citrate levels, reducing proteinuria and preventing calcium oxalate crystals, a common kidney stone component. Drinking lemon water, 1 lemon in 150 milliliters of water daily, is beneficial. Or using lemon zest in cooking are great ways to incorporate it into your diet. Citrate binds to calcium in the digestive tract, reducing the amount that enters the bloodstream and preventing kidney stones. Pregnant women can safely drink lemon juice to help with proteinuria. To protect your teeth from the acid in lemon juice, drink through a straw and rinse your mouth with water afterward. Choose firm, bright yellow lemons with thin, shiny skin for the best juice. Lemons that are heavier for their size tend to have more juice. You can also make lemon ice cubes by freezing lemon juice in ice cube trays. These can be added to water or other beverages for a refreshing tangy flavor. Additionally, using lemon juice in salad dressings, marinades, and baked goods can help you incorporate this kidney-friendly fruit into your diet in various ways. For an enhanced lemon water experience, try adding a few slices of cucumber or fresh mint leaves to your glass. This not only adds flavor but also provides additional health benefits. Cucumber and mint have cooling properties and can make your lemon water even more refreshing. Cucumber juice has been traditionally used to treat cramps and urinary issues. Its high water and fiber content, low calories, and low sugar help regulate blood sugar levels. Cucumber contains beneficial compounds like cucurbitacins, beta-carotene, and chorotin. A 2024 study suggested a cucumber citrus glycerol extract blend as a natural alternative to synthetic drugs for combating inflammation and oxidative stress. Cucumber helps detoxify the body, reducing the kidney's filtration workload. It's also a mild diuretic, lowering proteinuria. The high water content in cucumbers helps keep you hydrated and supports blood pressure regulation. Add cucumber to juices or smoothies with ginger, kale, celery, lemon, apple, or pineapple for a flavorful kidney-friendly drink. Choose firm, medium to dark green cucumbers for the best quality. Avoid cucumbers with yellow spots as they may be overripe. You can also enjoy cucumbers in salads, sandwiches, and as a crunchy snack with hummus or yogurt dip. Making cucumber water by adding cucumber slices to a pitcher of water can provide a refreshing beverage that you can sip throughout the day. Adding mint leaves or a splash of lemon juice can enhance the flavor and benefits. Another way to enjoy cucumbers is by making a chilled cucumber soup. Blend cucumbers with yogurt, garlic, and dill for a refreshing summer dish that is not only delicious but also packed with kidney-friendly nutrients. You can also pickle cucumbers in apple cider vinegar for a tangy snack that supports gut health. Beet juice is rich in antioxidants like betaine, vitamins C and B, and nitrates, protecting against kidney damage and high blood pressure, common proteinuria causes. Beetroots help lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and minimize oxidative stress, making them beneficial for CKD management. A 2015 study in hypertension found that consuming 250 milliliters of beetroot juice daily normalized blood pressure in hypertensive individuals. Beetroot contains significant levels of inorganic nitrate, which helps dilate blood vessels. This vasodilation improves blood flow and reduces pressure on kidney filtration units. When shopping for beets, choose firm red beets with small tops and bright green leaves. The leaves can be used in salads, ensuring no part of the beet goes to waste. To enhance the flavor of beet juice, add lemon. However, due to the high potassium content in beetroot, CKD patients should consult their doctor before adding it to their diet. Roasting beets with olive oil and herbs or adding them to salads can provide a delicious way to enjoy their health benefits. Beet hummus, made by blending cooked beets with chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, and garlic, is another tasty and nutritious option. For those who enjoy juicing, combining beet juice with other vegetable juices like carrot, celery, and apple can create a nutrient-dense drink that is both delicious and beneficial for kidney health. You can also add a touch of ginger or turmeric for added anti-inflammatory benefits. Ginger, known for its anti-nausea properties, also has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. It can help manage blood sugar, cholesterol, and reduce proteinuria. A 2015 study in nutrition found that ginger significantly lowered fasting blood sugar levels in dialysis patients. Ginger's antioxidants, such as gingerol, shogal, and zingerone, reduce oxidative stress. A 2019 study in the Saudi Journal of Biological Sciences demonstrated ginger juice's protective effects against cadmium-induced kidney damage. Fresh ginger tea is preferable to store-bought varieties. Adding lemon or lime juice can enhance its benefits. Avoid ginger beer due to high added sugar content. Store-bought ginger tea may have added carbs or other ingredients that reduce its antioxidant power. So fresh ginger is always better. For an extra health boost, consider adding a pinch of turmeric or cinnamon to your ginger tea. You can also use fresh ginger in cooking, such as in stir-fries, soups, and marinades, to enjoy its benefits in various dishes. Ginger-infused water can also be a refreshing way to stay hydrated while reaping its health benefits. For a soothing nighttime drink, try making a ginger honey tea. Simply steep fresh ginger slices in hot water, then add a teaspoon of honey for sweetness. This can help relax your body and promote better sleep while supporting kidney health. Cranberry juice has a long history of supporting urinary and kidney health. Initially thought to acidify urine, cranberries are now known to prevent bacteria from adhering to urinary tract cell membranes, reducing UTI risk. Rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins and proanthocyanidins, cranberries also provide vitamin K, which may help treat CKD-related bone and heart diseases. Choose firm, bright red cranberries for juicing and avoid washing them before refrigeration to extend shelf life. Fresh cranberry juice is better than store-bought varieties to avoid added sugars and preservatives. CKD patients should balance cranberry juice intake with water consumption and consult their doctor. New research suggests vitamin K in cranberries might help treat bone and heart diseases linked to CKD. Incorporating cranberries into your diet can be done in various ways, such as adding dried cranberries to salads, cereals, or yogurt. Cranberry sauce is another popular option, especially during holiday meals. Just be mindful of added sugars in store-bought versions and try making your own at home to control the ingredients. For a refreshing beverage, try making a cranberry spritzer by mixing cranberry juice with sparkling water and a squeeze of lime. This can be a healthier alternative to sugary sodas and still provides the benefits of cranberries. You can also use cranberry juice as a base for smoothies, combining it with other fruits and vegetables for a nutrient-packed drink. Green tea, made from unprocessed Camellia sinensis leaves, retains most natural antioxidants like catechins, which combat free radicals and inflammation. Studies indicate that green tea supplements can reduce blood sugar, cholesterol, and blood pressure. A 2019 study highlighted the potential benefits of EGCG, a catechin in green tea, in treating kidney diseases and preventing nephrotoxicity and kidney stones. Although more human studies are needed, consuming 3 to 4 cups of green tea daily, 600,900 milligrams of catechins, can help prevent diabetes and heart disease. Green tea antioxidants also help your body use insulin more efficiently, which aids in blood sugar management. Choose loose-leaf green tea over tea bags for higher quality and better health benefits. Use water with a pH of 7 for brewing to preserve catechins and enhance taste. Avoid low-quality green tea that may have reduced polyphenol content due to processing. For a refreshing twist, try iced green tea with a squeeze of lemon or a few fresh mint leaves. Matcha, a powdered form of green tea, can be used in smoothies, lattes, and baked goods, offering a concentrated dose of its beneficial compounds. Green tea can also be used as a base for various detox drinks when combined with other healthy ingredients like cucumber, ginger, and lemon. Green tea can also be incorporated into your cooking. Use it as a poaching liquid for fish or chicken, or infuse it into broths for soups. This not only adds a subtle flavor but also allows you to benefit from its antioxidants in different dishes. Curcumin, generally safe in recommended amounts, can cause digestive issues and increase bleeding risk when used long-term. Consult your doctor before consuming turmeric milk or supplements, especially if on blood thinners. Lemon juice, though beneficial, can erode tooth enamel. Dilute with water and avoid excessive consumption. Discuss dental health with your dentist if sensitivity or enamel wear occurs. Pomegranates and beets are high in potassium, which can be problematic for advanced CKD patients. Consult your doctor to determine the appropriate intake. Beetroot's high oxalate content can increase kidney stone risk for susceptible individuals. Inform your doctor about all medications, supplements, and dietary changes to avoid harmful interactions and ensure safety. Reducing proteinuria, a sign of worsening kidney disease often linked to diabetes and hypertension, requires medical management and lifestyle adjustments. Turmeric milk, berry smoothies, lemon water, pomegranate juice, cucumber juice, beetroot juice, ginger tea, cranberry juice, and green tea can all support kidney health. These drinks offer anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and other beneficial compounds to reduce proteinuria and protect kidney function. Always consult your doctor before making dietary changes, especially with underlying health conditions. Your support motivates us to share valuable information. Subscribe and enable notifications to never miss a life-saving video. Stay healthy and informed.